Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're well, healthy, and happy. Things are a bit chaotic again at the moment as we see another surge in the COVID-19 cases worldwide. I had a few people reach out to me with this particular question, so I decided to do a video on the topic to share this information with all of you. The question is, what should you do at the first sign of COVID-19? This means we need to know what the signs are. And I do want to state here that even though many people know these signs, I have noticed that when there is an infection in the family and someone is displaying these signs, we tend to downplay it and don't want to believe it can be COVID-19. The smart thing to do is address the issue right away. Know the signs. If you or someone displays these signs, isolate, get a test, and do what I'm about to share with you. So what are some of the signs of COVID-19? Fatigue seems to be a prevalent and commonly experienced sign of COVID infection. Over 80% of the time, people who are infected experience severe fatigue. Not your I didn't get enough sleep last night, so I'm tired kind of fatigue, but intense exhaustion. Persistent cough is another sign. And then, of course, the most common sign, which is sore throat. Some people may experience headaches, and about 40% of the infected people get fevers. Some experience loss of smell and taste, and in some cases, people either lose sense of smell or taste. Then there are other symptoms which are not as common, but we should know them anyway. Some of these include diarrhea, vomiting, burning eyes, runny or congested nose, and these symptoms become more severe if the infection intensifies. Again, just because you have any of these symptoms doesn't mean you have COVID-19. At the same time, you should not be dismissive of these symptoms because we are in the middle of a pandemic and the chances of contracting infections are high. So instead of being dismissive, take precautions, self-isolate, and get tested ASAP to know for sure. So what should be the action plan in case you get an infection? Simple. Prepare your immune system to fight off the infection, to speed up the recovery and decrease the duration and severity of the symptoms. If you are a generally healthy individual with no underlying health conditions, there is a good chance you will recover after a short battle. If you have underlying conditions like diabetes or heart problems, you should be more cautious and follow your doctor's advice. So let's go back to the topic. What should you do at the first sign of COVID-19? Stop consuming wheat, dairy, and sugar. Wheat and dairy tend to produce mucus in the body, and you absolutely want to avoid that. So no bread, no milk, no yogurt, no cheese. Sugar compromises the immune system, and when you have an infection, any kind of infection, you want to strengthen your immune system, not lower it more. So instead of consuming sugary and dairy products and wheat, drink a lot of soups, vegetable juices, eat seasonal fruits and vegetables, and have healthy, light meals. On top of that, you want to take vitamin C, 1000 mg tablets twice a day, vitamin D3, 5000 IU or 125 mcg twice a day, and zinc. I would recommend taking zinc picolinate, 50 mg once a day. These are the dosages when you have an infection, not to prevent an infection. These three nutrients are essential for your immune system, and if you take these right away at the onset of first signs of infection, you give your immune system a fair fighting chance against this virus. Sure, foods are the best way to get any nutrients, so you should be eating foods rich in these nutrients all the time. But when you have an infection, just go ahead and take a supplement. Other things you want to do to speed up your recovery is keep your body warm. And you want to do this internally and externally. Take regular hot showers and wear warm clothing. You should also consume foods that are warming to the body, like ginger tea, turmeric, clove, cinnamon, star anise, and oregano. You also want to sit in the sun for at least 20 to 30 minutes daily. Sleep as much as possible. Drink warm drinks and sleep. This is your secret to recovery. Steam inhalation is also very, very helpful, at least 4 to 5 times daily. You can use Himalayan salt in a pot of water with some peppermint or eucalyptus essential oils. I have done a video on this topic. I'll link it here. Make sure you check it out. You also want to gargle with salt water. It makes a big difference. Ideally, you want to do it 4 to 5 times a day. On top of that, you want to take Manuka honey since it has antimicrobial properties and may help the body fight infections. I have done a video on how to choose the right kind of Manuka honey. I will link it here. Please check it out. If you can't find Manuka honey, go for any raw, organic, unpasteurized honey. This next point is so important for your immune system. If you neglect this, even if you eat healthy and take all the supplements, your immune system will still be easily compromised. And that is stress. Lower your stress levels. Stress increases cortisol, which decreases your immune system. I've done a few videos on this topic. I will link them here. Please check them out. And please check with your doctor before taking these supplements. I wish you all the best. Take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you have any questions or concerns. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.